The Air Car, a revolutionary flying car concept by Pier Paolo Lazzarini, is powered by a Rolls-Royce jet engine. It can reach speeds of 750 kilometers per hour and travel up to 3,200 kilometers. This car features a quad-engine flight system where the rotors also serve as wings. At 6 meters in length, the Air Car has a lightweight carbon monocoque design and is equipped with 4 rotatable Rolls-Royce jet engines. Each engine can independently adjust its inclination and rotation, ensuring the vehicle remains stable and highly maneuverable, especially during turns. Set to debut in 2024, the Air Car is poised to transform personal transportation. Tesla has been working towards fully autonomous cars for years. In 2015, it introduced an advanced version of cruise control, and by 2020, some owners got access to full self-driving, FSD. In September 2024, Tesla released FSD version 12.5.2, which allows the car to travel much farther without driver intervention. However, drivers must still stay alert and ready to take control. This means you can't use the car to drive you home from a party without risking a DUI. Snowmobiles, especially professional models, are heavy, requiring special trailers for transport. Brenderup manufactures these trailers, which feature ramps, lights, foldable aluminum roofs, and protective films. They can carry up to 740 kilograms, with prices starting at $1,529. The Vanderhall Venice is a striking 3-wheeled roadster designed to turn heads with its vintage charm and open-air design. It's the perfect vehicle for thrill-seekers and adventure lovers who crave an exciting ride. Powered by either a 1.4-liter or 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, it delivers a smooth yet powerful performance thanks to its 6-speed automatic transmission. What sets the Venice apart is its unique 3-wheel layout, featuring 2 wheels at the front and 1 at the rear. This design offers a distinctive driving experience, blending stability with a touch of adventure. Whether you're gliding through city streets or navigating curvy mountain roads, the Venice makes every journey a thrill. Its lightweight build and agile handling ensure a responsive and exhilarating ride, while the vintage-inspired details add a touch of nostalgia to modern engineering. Driving the Venice feels like merging the best of classic and contemporary design. So, if you're ready to feel the wind in your hair and a smile on your face, the Vanderhall Venice is waiting to take you on your next adventure. Buckle up, hit the road, and let the journey begin. The Volkswagen Cedric is an innovative self-driving concept car built for full autonomy, requiring no steering wheel, pedals, or cockpit. Unveiled at the 2017 Geneva Motor Show, Cedric can be called with just a button press and takes care of all driving tasks on its own. This fully electric and connected vehicle offers safe, eco-friendly, and convenient transportation. It's designed for everyone, including kids and people without a driver's license. With its simple design and advanced technology, Cedric showcases Volkswagen's vision for the future of urban mobility, making transportation more inclusive and efficient. The Panasonic Autonomous Cabin is a futuristic car interior designed for self-driving vehicles. First shown at CES 2017, it offers 4K touch tables at each seat, so passengers can work, relax, or play while traveling. The seats can turn to face each other or join to form a large shared screen. Smart materials adjust lighting and display info, while touch controls let you customize your space. Augmented reality windows show live updates, and a detachable magic ring lets you control settings easily. With features like an air purifier and personal sound system, every ride feels smart,